Hello and a very good day. I am Evangeline Monica from Group 1, and today I would like to present our long distance relationship AI assistant project. Maintaining love in long distance relationships presents distinct challenges stemming from physical separation, including communication barriers, emotional strain, and a lack of shared experiences. These hurdles significantly impact relationship dynamics, often leading to feelings of loneliness and a sense of disconnection. To address these obstacles, our project centers on leveraging AI to provide personalized guidance and support. Our goal is to alleviate communication hurdles, reduce emotional strain, and foster a sense of connectedness despite the physical distance, aiming to strengthen and sustain long distance relationships. We hypothesize that the long distance relationship AI assistant will significantly improve relationship satisfaction, communication frequency, as well as emotional well being among users. Our objectives are clear and measurable: to develop a prototype of the long distance relationship AI assistant, to create measurable metrics for evaluating the prototype's impact on relationship satisfaction, to ensure the prototype's achievability within the 7-week project duration, to keep the project relevant to the theme of love, and to complete the development and testing of the prototype within the 7-week time frame. Moving on to the methodology. Our target users are individuals who are actively engaged in long distance romantic relationships. This could include couples from different states as well as different countries. The types of data that we collected include the demographics, relationship dynamics, challenges, strengths, and shared interests among individuals who are engaged in long distance romantic relationships, followed by the data collection process. We utilized a structured questionnaire through Google Forms for user engagement. The data pre-processing steps include cleaning, feature extraction, and standardization of user-provided data. There are three main AI techniques that we used in this project, which is natural language processing to analyze textual responses to understand sentiments and key relationship aspects. We also used machine learning algorithms to categorize and classify user data, and we also used sentiment analysis and collaborative filtering to gauge emotions and offer recommendations based on successful strategies in similar relationships. Here's our flowchart of the project development. Our user interface has a user centric design which includes a navigation flow, personalized dashboard, recommendations, notifications, feedback and customization, and security and privacy. Next is the most awaited part, the demonstration of the project. This is the welcome screen of our app. It says welcome to long distance relationship AI assistant, and there is a get started button. So when we click on the button, we will be directed to the login screen. In the login screen, you can see two buttons, which is login as well as create. If you are an existing user, you can proceed to login, but since we are a first time user, we are going to click on create. This will lead us to the sign up page. In this sign up page, we can enter our full name, email, and password to sign up a new account. Once we click on sign up, the account is created successfully. And now we can proceed to login. Assuming that I have entered the correct username and password, I am going to click on login now. Once we are logging in, since we are a first time user, we need to complete the user profile by providing some basic information. There will be a set of questions. Of course, these are mock questions. Once we finish answering these questions, we need to enter finish so that the app can analyze about the user self as well as the partner. Based on the answers provided in the previous part by the user, the app will calculate and analyze the primary love language of the couple. It says your primary love language is words of affirmation and your partner's primary love language is acts of service. Once we close, we will have the user dashboard. There are recommendations, progress, and partner's happiness scales. Recommendations provide the overview of the recommendations suggested by the app. The progress is what are the events that have been done and what are we doing. There is a view more button and both these view more button leads to the same screen. The partner's happiness scale is for a later part which I will explain. So now we will click on view more and we will be directed to the next screen, which is personalized recommendations. So over here, as we saw earlier, the partner's primary love language was acts of service. So the suggestions are based on that acts of service. Assuming that I have completed this surprise, I can proceed to mark as done, which is I just have to click the button. So once I click that button, I will be directed to the feedback screen. In this, we need to give our honest feedback about the recommendation provided. We just slide up and down to give a rating. And once that's done, just click on done button. And then it says, thank you for your feedback. Proceed to check how happy your partner is. So when we click on that, we can see the partner's happiness level. So there's also a small note there saying, do you wish to make your partner happier? If yes, you just have to click here. If we click there, we go back to the personalized recommendations, and this is where we can proceed to do other recommendations, and the app will continue to provide more recommendations based on our feedback. Now as for the results, our app has improved relationship satisfaction, enhanced communication frequency, as well as positive impact on emotional well-being. The effectiveness of AI guidance can be seen in the improvements to validate the effectiveness of personalized AI-driven guidance in addressing common challenges within long-distance relationships. While most users experienced positive changes, variations existed based on relationship duration, geographical distance, and personal circumstances, highlighting the need for nuanced approaches. There is also continuous monitoring and customization. These tailored recommendations based on individual nuances could further enhance the AI assistant's impact by acknowledging diverse relationship dynamics and preferences. Last but not the least, there is a potential for ongoing support. So for our future work, we will be doing extended studies to assess the sustained impact of the AI assistant on relationship dynamics over time. We also have a plan to include real time interaction features, which means to develop features allowing real time interaction between partners for immediate support during challenging situations. We can also integrate wearable tech such as smartwatch for additional data insights related to user behaviors and emotions. That's all from us. Thank you.